Otter Garden Centres has been family owned and run since 1964. Our Ottery St Mary Centre has grown over the last 60 years to become one of the largest in the UK. We have one of the largest garden building showroom areas in the southwest at our Ottery St Mary Garden Centre. Garden buildings are a great addition to your home, whether for relaxation, storage or workspace. We offer a wide range of quality buildings from leading brands. Choose from attractive summer houses to relax and entertain in, a garden shed for storage, a greenhouse, workshop, or maybe even a contemporary glass-fronted work studio. Otter Garden Centres is all about finding the perfect products, getting helpful advice and finding inspiration to create stunning gardens. We are easy to access with free parking, so you can shop at your leisure without the stress of city centre parking. Plus, we're open 7 days a week, making it easy to find a convenient time to visit us.